Sis Zandile or Sis Dabula or Sis Dudula. Whatever was busy on Yagonanda. Laera Kestano some they're saying a good dancer knows when to get off the stage, yes? Yeah, that's what they say. So you came in here to Dula. We all know we now know when you talk about Uzandile, everyone knows who you are, you understand? Somewhere, somehow, you gotta put a stop in terrorizing people because, like I said before, I know you don't hate your fellow brothers and sisters. I know you don't. That's a strategy in order to get what you want. I get that. Yes, there are those pawns that, like in the chess game, that they think they're fighting for something serious, my clinic and all that, going around saying Abaham and all that. That's strategy. I understand. It was for you to get popularity, to get recognition, of which you do now. Ne? Somewhere, somehow now, you have to formalize now things. You have to put principles, have a manifesto, understand? Having your party's constitution, like, or policies, whatever you believe in, understand? So, but funny part is that, in present, you are really doing your thing. But you forgot to understand the history. As a party that does not want our fellow brothers and sisters, and we're busy foreigner, and all that. You are supposed, you must, like for you, it's a must. The frontline state is something that you're supposed to know. You know what? Being the South Africa that we are today, how did you came about achieving the democracy that we have today, that you are enjoying again today, because you can go around and insult everybody, because you got the freedom of speech? The front line is the coalition which was used to liberate black people, especially SADC. When 1975, Mozambique and Angola, they had a coalition, and then they defeated the Portuguese colony in 1975. Botswana, Zimbabwe, and Zambia, if I'm not mistaken, they also had a coalition in the frontline states whereby they defeated they liberated Rhodesia. And then Namibia and South Africa, other fellow countries there, to have that coalition in order to fight the apartheid government. That today you are free, you can form your own political party, you can sweat everyone without giving a damn because you got that freedom. It did not come by you. Fellow Africans were sacrificed their sweat and blood for you to be free. They were very same people that you are chasing away today. So I'm surprised you don't even know that. You have no idea. The only idea you're having is that to do like this, to do like that, autopilot, I don't know. I don't know you. I don't even know where you got that term. You are funny, But listen, I understand what you're doing. Just do it in the right way, man. Like, for now, try to be a serious politician. Stop that thing that going around terrorizing people and all that. We still have 4 years to vote again. Maybe then we might take you serious, because as for now, you just look like clown, you and your people. As long they don't get, like, as long that's the only thing that you know. That's more like you and your fellow party members, you're just using propaganda, and then, yes, only stupid and fools that can follow you. Okay? But fools, people we have nothing to do. They are bored. Yes, of course, they will follow you. At least we are giving them purpose to live for something. But come on, start to strategize, Konamanj. Maybe, just maybe. Okay?
And futhi angazi ukuthi nginitshele kangakhi as South Africans ukuthi we need to seriously start gatekeeping indaba ze-politics. We cannot just allow any Tom and Dick and Harry to just wake up and be like, I'm going to open a political party, and then, yeah, we get excited for that person. That needs to come to an end. Indaba yokuthi nje nanoma ubani nje uzo decide in this country ukuthi I have the right to have a political party just because unama fans nyana. hyper is completely unacceptable. We need to start the vetting process, basic vetting process from us as a South African people. Questions like, when ofuna ukuvula political party, did you belong to any youth league? From the existing current political parties, are you a member or were you once a member of any youth league? Do you hold a political degree? Something in economic, public relations, anything? Political science? Do you hold any political degree? Okay, you don't. Abazali bakho, were they part of Umzabalazo? All right, they were not. Is it possible by any chance ukuthi wena as umuntu oclaim ukuthi ufuna ukuvula political party, were you part of Umzabalazo? You were not. And then the rest will leave it to the political aspect. But no, as a South African, sivele sibe excited nje, umuntu nje ne cloud nyana, friction nyana, SSC hyped up. Next elections we're gonna vote. Umuntu ocula abahambe abobani. Umuntu ongazi nix uyangifraza mina mawuzokhuluma ngokuthi African people must leave. Wena ucabanga ukuthi uncedo ubani? For South Africa to be where it is. I know what I've spoken about, you know what, the day where Dudula becomes a ruling party will never come. But for some reason, I'm actually quite interested to see. Manage shift as South Africans and see what will happen. I need to Dudula I fully pel ama foreigners. It's not a matter of documented or undocumented. Dudula I fully at all black foreigners. So basically Dudula, if it's ruling South Africa, is also nama European and Americans and no Africans. I'd love to see how that relationship would go without any help or assistance of any African country. All parts nje wena izwe uyiwine with your land, with your resources that you want to preserve for South Africans. Sibona ukuthi uzowadla waqede uzoziqeda zonke inkomo nemfuyo uyiwine unganamuntu ozomthengisela lezo zinto lezo. Shift nje as Africans. Angazi ukuthi singachiftela phi baliphathekele lizwe lesibona ukuthi bazolisaphi. A leader who has no relationships, who doesn't know how to build and maintain relationships with other African countries, who's constantly provoking other African leaders and their people when they are in her country. What kind of a political party that you claim you, Dudula people, are going to go and vote for? After the incident that happened during the week, I understand that the caliber of people that keep on commenting on my post that are anti-xenophobic. Ikaliber yedidula nje ayifundanga. They can't even write a decent, I can't even say a paragraph, just 2 lines, a decent nje, without cursing. They just abostratmate abophuma swile nje inhlamba nje into abayenzayo. Those are the people you want to represent you eParliament, South Africans. Abantu abangazi ukuthi abobani abasinceda to get where we are as a South African people. Ukuthi sibabonge and appreciate those people. Other countries, when you travel to them, you see by the majority of the foreigners who are in that country, it will tell you ukuthi those are the countries, the kind of relationship they have with those countries. It will tell you ukuthi those are the countries who assisted them during war or during whatever struggle they were going through that time. Then when they were liberated, then they return back their favor. The people from those countries can come and work, can come and do business. You know, it's more favorable for them rather than other foreign countries, because those are the people who were with them during the tough times. Maranina, you don't want to return the favor. You have issues right now. If parties like Dudula have issues with even people that are foreign nationals documented, as long as they are black, they must go. Abantu beDudula ansangitshela ukuthi uleadership yenu akazi ukuthi what is the first line state. Utheni, what was the answer? Namangazi, but mina I will tell you ukuthi what were the first line countries that help us during the time of struggle. These are the countries that helped us. Yeah, babon, just go through it. Yeah, babon, amazizimbani, amazazai, whatsoever that you call them, amakwere, now amakwere. Uyayibona lapha in Europe or USA? No, nowhere to be found. Those were our first line countries who helped us. Since leadership here doesn't know what's a first line state. You don't understand ukuthi we are, should I say a giant or whatever. The United States of South Africa. It is supposed to be that other countries seek help from us. We are the more advanced. Yes, resources and whatever. We have a bit of everything. It is supposed to be that immigrants are flocking to this country and they must be embraced. And please don't dare come to me about legal or illegal, because you know your problems. Your problems have no legal or illegal. Your problems have black, African, foreigner. That's your problem. They are supposed to be flocking in here, especially Labin Abafuni at all, Zimbabwe, the Zimbos. They have every right, Bonage even Bawes, because they are breaking away from this country. So that's the leadership you want. I, after all that I've said, saying no, needs yes. My party to do. I just want to see something.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umkosi waseMzansi. Naba bantu badrega i-president ye-Operation Dudulo Zandile Dabula bathi she doesn't know when to stop just because utbona nema-follower following yana lokuncane ngemva kokuthi aqoshe ama-foreigner la South Africa maklinikhi etibhedlela. So ubona ngazi ukuthi yena ngakhona kuledi country abe i-president unemqondo nje lobhetsako. Kuba i-president, kuba i-leader kuthatha more than just ukuthi abahambe. So people have been dragging uZandile Shem ever since bambone laphana etintsabeni ivideo yakhe trenda la bambuta khona ngema-front lines wahluleka kuphendula. So bantu labangamthandi vele bathole opportunity yokuthi bamdrage bamkhulumeka betinkundleni tokuxhumana. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.